Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to clear YouTube history in your mobile phone. Let's see. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from your mobile, just go to YouTube application and just open search history. Automatically whatever you search, everything will be displayed in your YouTube. As well as just go to library and you can able to find whatever you see. So every history will be recorded by the YouTube. So as you see my history, so total history will be displayed over here. So now I would like to delete the history and clear my memory spaces. So how to delete? It's an easy and simple step. So from your login, that is your mail login is here. So on top right hand side corner, just hit the button, automatically it will open what is your account. So here just scroll down and just select setting. So once you select setting, automatically history and privacy will be applied over here. So as you see, just hit the button history and privacy, and here clear watch history and clear search history will be available. So just click clear watch history. So clear watch history, automatically whatever you seen, everything will be clear and your memory space will be more for your mobile phone. As well as clear search history. So if you clear these two, means automatically your phone memory and your video memory won't be storage much more. So that is the main important thing. You can able to clear the history and you can able to refresh your YouTube application, able to go to your library and you can able to see the history. So there will be no history will be available, as well as the search history. So everything will be cleared by the YouTube application. So this is an easy way you can able to watch, means your memory space will be locked over by the cookies. So using this clear the history option, you can able to free your memory space. So this is an easy way you can able to clear your YouTube memory. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.